বিরহ অভিমান এসির জল ছুঁয়ে কুয়াশার পূর্ণ স্নান এসির জল ছুঁয়ে কুয়াশার পূর্ণ স্নান এসির জল ছুঁয়ে কুয়াশার পূর্ণ স্নান এখানে যায় ভেসে মায়ের পান ইতিহাসে লেখা আছে জীবন মরণ আছে নবরূপা জনরূপে সেটাকে আমরা এখানে মূর্তি ট্রান্সফার করেছি।
Soroswati, we are here with you at Hathibagan Sarvajanin. How are you feeling? কত ঠাকুর দেখা হলো তোমার এই পুজোতে?
শুভ দ্বিতীয়া to all of you.
Lovely. আর বলো, what are your feelings here? এখানে তুমি আজকে আছো, এখানে পিপল শুরু হচ্ছে এবং
It's very funny that today I complete hat trick with the Telegraph Pujo Premier League, and I've been coming to Hathibagan Sarvajanin for quite some time now, and many congratulations to all the authorities and to the entire Pujo committee because this is their 91st year and it is actually a big deal. Every year for Pujo Parikramas, I keep on, I look forward to Hathibagan's theme because every year they never fail to surprise me with their unique themes, and this time too I'm super excited.
what are your puja plans?
My pujo plans, it'll mostly be a working pujo, but I have off on Ashtami and Navami, so I don't know yet, but a lot of my friends are coming to town, so yeah, I think I'm gonna just spend my day with them.
And one last message you have for T2 readers who love you so much.
So I also love them, and you all know that. So here's to my fellow T2 readers and viewers. Shubho Sharodiya, have a lot of fun this pujo. Jomi khawa dawa koro, adda dao, shustho thako. Shubho Sharodiya.